Hey folks, radar has gone quiet across the valley tonight after being anything but quiet earlier today. Some pretty big rain south of Harlingen, some more stuff south of Brownsville, and then we had a good shower here in the mid-valley at one point this afternoon. We picked up a quick ½ an inch of rain. We can see where rain did fall today. If there's a color on there, that means rain was where you were, not close to the coast, close to 2 inches. Right along the military highway to the west of El Calabos near Bluetown, about 2.2 inches there. West Harlingen, just over ¼ inch. You can see some pretty good totals north of Santa Rosa, right near San Perlita. You get up into Weslaco, and there's that ½ inch total. We had 0.51 to be exact here at our studios. You can see the stuff blowing up pretty good on the satellite earlier today, but there's not much left tonight. Skies have gone pretty well clear across the area, and the suggestion from Future Track is just patchy clouds overnight. Maybe a brief shower tomorrow, but a lot of the day will be rain-free across a lot of the valley, and Sunday the same thing. Could there be an isolated shower? Yes, but for the most part, it's a dry day. Monday, though, things begin to change. Look at this. Here comes our cool front coming down from the north. There may be some sun, but there'll also be some clouds. Could be a shower thunderstorm with and behind the front as that front pushes in here. It's not particularly cold by any means. It's just a little cooler, but there's also some drier air coming with this front. It'll push in during the daytime on Monday more than likely. Now, as we look at the bigger picture, if you look real closely, you see the swirl of clouds right here. That's a little upward disturbance we've been watching, still hanging out there. Let's find the fronts. There's one in Texas right now. That one washes out. Another one makes its way into Texas on Sunday, kind of lays itself out across North Texas, but watch what happens. It kind of sits there for just a little while, and then boom, it races southward, comes in here late Monday, could trigger a shower or thunderstorm, and by Tuesday, looks pretty nice. Less humid, not quite as hot. Still warm, but not quite as hot. Nighttime lows cool off just a little bit, probably the upper 60s for a couple of days. And this is just the first front because there's a second one. Watch what happens. Not Wednesday, not Thursday, but Friday shows up on the weather map. That one pushes in. That looks like it might have a little more kick to it. So it looks like by the time we get to the end of next week, it could be quite a bit cooler. At least that's what it's looking like in the long range. Rain chance is probably the best on Monday with the front, and then we're pretty dry through the rest of the week. Then we're going to watch Friday with the next front. Normal high this time of year is 89. We stay above that, drop below it for a little bit. Friday, that number could change, and certainly will change for next weekend. Quick check of travel weather across the state. 72 in the morning in San Antonio, in the 70s in Dallas. Most of the state warms into the 90s, except the Panhandle north of the front. So for us for tonight, your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast, 73 under partly cloudy skies. Then tomorrow back to 92, an isolated shower thunderstorms a possibility. Winds out of the northeast at about 6 to 12. Here we go the next 7 days, and every day we see some differences. We go 92, 92, but then we cool it off a little. Nighttime lows cool a little bit. Sunshine, then another front on Friday brings cooler temperatures for next weekend. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast. We'll be back with Friday Night Football first and goal coverage right after the break.